Yeah, hi guys, I'm in here to do an unboxing of this package. This is my second signed package. I actually got one a week ago, but I wasn't able to film an unboxing because of I didn't have a memory card, so I'm gonna be filming those after this. So yeah. So I got two things. I got B1A4 Solo Day and Secrets I Do normal edition, and I'll be doing Solo Day first because this is signed, and I actually wanted the other version more, but yeah. So got the orange version, so let's, yeah, there, front cover. Will their dreams come true? The growth story of 5 boys has just begun. Whatever. Back. This. And the track list. So, yeah. Then the side. This is my first B1A4 album, so I'm pretty excited. So, the card, I'm gonna review that later. I haven't seen it, so when you open it, you get the sign! Yay! So, there are the signatures of the members. I don't really know whose signatures are these. So yeah, I'm not even gonna read that right now, just because that's gonna be taking a long time. Yeah. Because I really like the typography on this one. Like, I'm a big fan of typography, and also the photos are really nice looking. I like the photography. So you have Jinyoung, couch potato, may bias. Oh, this shot is really nice. Oh, I love this. I really do. We have Shinwo. Just love the sketches, to be honest. Oh, this looks weird. Oh, Sando looks so cute. Looks so young. Now I'm craving for pizza. Oh my god. Why? This is high quality paper though. This is Jinyoung, this sandal. So Barrow, Space Geek. If I'm like doing this like really fast, it's a thick photo book. This was the most WTF title, Flower Vagabond. Just pretty boy. Yes. Not a fan of the extension, but whatever. I love this. Oh, poor Sandul though. This is my favorite shot of them. Love the shades. Oh, poor Jinyoung. I just love the sequence shots. Then what does the show mean in the music video? My top 2 has to be Barrow and Jinyoung, then with Sandul and Gongsan tied in third, and last is Shinwoo. I don't really have anything against Shinwoo, but I just love the other members more. It's coming to an end. It's electric orange. So bright. So yeah, here's the CD. Not even gonna take that, but you just have to look at the details on this one. The lines are amazing. So that's it for this one. So for the card, I don't even know who I got. Oh, I got Barrow. Barrow is my second bias, so it's fine. I wanted Jinyoung though, but I'm gonna try to find a trade like locally. Then yeah. Not a fan of the paper texture at the back, but this is fine. But yeah, they should have just really made this like a normal photo card if they're gonna be putting like white space there. Yeah. So bookmark is basically a photo card that's taller. So yeah, that's it for this unboxing. Stay tuned for the next one and see you guys. Bye!